Everything's bright, everyone's happy, and spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys. Today's video is my favorite video to film every single year. It is the Christmas Decorate With Me. These are my favorite videos to watch, and so I can't wait for you to watch this one. I was so excited to put up my Christmas decorations. Usually I put them up a little bit earlier in November, but it took some time to convince my husband to let me put up the decorations this year. But you won't really see him much in this video. He is helping me put up the tree, but that is it. We do have an artificial tree and it is pre-lit, so that makes things a little bit easier on us. But yeah, let's get into this video.
I think I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year. My stupid heart so easily strays. I thought I was trying to forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away. Say, do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd feared. I don't blame you if memory fails you, but I must admit I am thinking of you every minute, each hour.
So the theme that I have for my Christmas tree, or I guess for all of my decorations, is we use a lot of red, green, white, and then we also use like mixed metals. So I love to mix in gold and silver. So that's what we're doing on the tree. And let me know down in the comments below, do you decorate your whole tree if it's in a corner, or do you just decorate the front? Because as you can see, I am only decorating the front because there's no point in decorating the back because no one's gonna see it.
Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed deer. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
So while I was decorating for Christmas, the boys were asleep. It had been a very long day and they just wanted to go to bed when we got home, but I really wanted to decorate for Christmas. I couldn't wait any longer, so they didn't get to help me this year decorate the tree, but I did have a special surprise for them the next day. We actually ended up getting a small tree for their room, which you will see at the end of this video. Parker helped me decorate it, and it was so much fun.
Glory to the newborn King. I drink to Santa and his helpers too. Here's to mistletoes and here's to you. Jingle them bells and frolic come. Let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year, the best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year. Hear, hear.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder.
So I actually got this idea from my friend Bethany over at Simply Bethany. She didn't have anywhere to put her stockings, just like we don't really have anywhere to put our stockings. So she put them above her TV, and I thought that was such a cute idea. So I got that idea from her. Just put the stockings over the tree. Now, our stockings are different, unfortunately. I couldn't find the stocking that matched Parker's for Oliver, so I just had this simple red and white one, but I did end up getting the letter O to put over it, so he does have his initial on there. I really don't have a lot of outside decorations, just 2 things, but we also did end up getting some lights that I'm excited to put up. Jared is actually going to put those up soon, and I can't wait for the boys to see it.
Faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So lit by light, our stars sweetly gleaming. Here come the wise men from Orient land, the King of Kings laid us lowly manger in all our trials, born to be our friend. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night.
So as you can see, I'm just kind of playing around with the decor that I got for the TV stand. A lot of it is actually smaller than I anticipated when I bought it. So I'm still trying to figure out to this day if I like it or if I want to get some other stuff. But every time I've gone to Walmart so far, there hasn't really been a lot of a selection. So I'm going to see if Jared will let me go to Target and check it out and see if I can find anything to put in the TV stand there. These are the boys' little elves that I had made last year. They are going to be used for the little elf on the shelf. I'm so excited to actually do that this year. Parker is actually starting to understand the whole Christmas and Santa and elf thing. So I'm very excited to use these to get them into some mischief. So here you see me just taking down our regular decor that we have right here and putting up stuff for our manger. So this is the first year that we actually have a nativity scene, and I'm so excited. I did make sure to get something that if the boys were to mess with it, it wouldn't break it. So these are like little stuffed felt figurines, but I think they're so cute, they're so whimsical, and I actually fell in love with them after we bought them. So I'm very excited to have these in our little Christmas decor collection and to keep it for so many years to come.
Snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow.
So for my 2-tiered tray that I have here in the kitchen, I really wanted to keep a lot of the regular decorations on there and just add in Christmassy decor. So I added in this little, I don't know what you would call it, looks like a milk bottle, and it has lights in it that you can turn it on and it will just flicker the lights. And then I also added this little Let It Snow plaque and some ornaments, and it kind of made it look really Christmassy, and I love the way that it turned out. So this is the first time that I'm taking down my Fueled by Jesus and Coffee little sign, and it kind of hurt my heart a little bit to take it down, but I knew that I needed to put up my Merry Christmas little plate that I had made a few years back. It is actually absolutely one of my favorite decoration pieces that I have. It just means so much to me because a good friend made it for me. So then I also added in a cute little mug on my mug stand and another little milk bottle, light up bottle, I don't know what else to call it, and I think it just pulled everything together. This is actually the next day. We had just gotten home from church in Walmart, and when we were at Walmart, we picked up a little mini tree and some ornaments for the boys' room. I thought this would be so special to let Parker help me decorate this tree, and he absolutely loves it. He goes in there every day, turns off the light, makes sure that the Christmas lights are on, and he will just watch it. And so it's so fun to see him be so excited about something, and it really means a lot to me.
Everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So this is actually going to be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you liked watching the decorations that I put up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. And subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week, and I would love to have you become a part of my little family here. I love to make new friends here on YouTube. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around